Spray this oil and you will never see mold again. If mold appears often in your house, you are surely aware of its negative effects on health. However, we will offer one extremely effective solution to solve this unpleasant problem. The spray we suggest contains only one ingredient, tea tree oil. This essential oil is extracted from the leaves of the Melaleuca Alternifoli, a plant which is native to Australia. It is very useful in the case of mold, and its beneficial properties have been used by the Aborigines for centuries, in the case of cuts, burns, and wounds. They crushed the leaves of the tea tree and applied them to the affected areas. Then, they covered the place with mud to secure it. According to historians, the incredible properties of this essential oil have been found in the 1920s by the Australian researchers, who discovered that the antiseptic properties of this oil are 100 times more effective than carbolic acid, which was a germicide commonly used then. Nowadays, studies suggest that this oil is useful in the treatment of various types of respiratory issues, like a runny nose, sore throat, bronchitis, tuberculosis, asthma. Moreover, due to the potent antibiotic qualities, tea tree oil also provides great relief in the treatment of skin issues, such as burns, rashes, and dandruff. Yet, this article will present a way to use this essential oil and eliminate mold from the house. It is extremely useful against germs and mold, and its use is simple and easy. This is what you need to do. You will need a spray bottle, 2 teaspoons of tea tree oil, 2 cups of water. Instructions: you should combine the tea tree oil with water and pour their mixture in a spray bottle. Then, spray on all the areas where mold appears in the house, and leave it to dry off. Then, use a towel to wipe it off. The quick effects will surprise you.